In this video, I'm going to teach you how to run OneDrive Personal on PC. In order to do that, first head over right there into your Microsoft 365. Into this part, you should be able to find right here your OneDrive by locating it directly from there. So what we can do is we can just head over and then create a free account on your OneDrive. Once you have done that, you should be able to have your own account. So for this, proceed to click onto this sign in option that will appear directly from there. So once you're in here, you should be able to sign in. I'll show you what it will look like on your actual OneDrive. So get over right here to your files and you can find everything from here. To run the OneDrive Personal on your PC, just head over to your taskbar, or you can also use it directly onto the browser. If you want, you can also use it from here or onto your local file. Head over to your Windows and click on Search and proceed to search right here for OneDrive. You should be able to find OneDrive directly from in here. Just proceed to click on this open right there. Alternatively, you can also find it directly under your File Explorer. So under your File Explorer, it looks like this. So we have in here our navigation. You can find it directly under the gallery. It should be on the uppermost corners. So here we have our actual name and here we have the personal. You can proceed to click on this and it will show you all of the files that you have on your OneDrive. I have the same account for my OneDrive on my browser as well as on my PC. So as you can see, I have the same files and it's directly synced on there. You can find it directly right here. You can upload files, move it right here, delete, and everything that you want to do in order to run your personal file or personal OneDrive on your PC. So that's all there is today. I hope this video successfully helped you out.